Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebraic expression. So if we have 17 to the power of 5 minus 17 and we write this algebraic expression into the simplified form, but here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem. So here first we need to focus on the exponent of this term, and its exponent is 5, and we write this 5 as 4 plus 1 and minus this is 17. So here we use the nice exponential law. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. According to this rule of exponents, we break these exponents as in this form. So we write it as 17 to the power of 4 multiplied by 17 to the power of 1 minus this is our 17. And now further in the next step, you see here both of these two terms involve 17, so that we will be take common 17 from here and we get the remaining values are, from here we get 17 to the power of 4 and from here we get minus 1. And now in the next step we need to rewrite this equation as in this form. So here first we have this is our 17 into, we write this 17 to the power of 4 as 17 square and its whole square minus we write this 1 as 1 square. And in the next step we use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula, we write our above equation as in this form. So we have this is 17 times, when you apply this formula here, it will be written as 17 square minus 1 into this is 17 square plus 1. Okay, so further in the next step, first we need to find the value of 17 square. And for this, we will just take here 17 square, and you know about that 17 square means that we multiply 17 with 17. Here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem, so that's why we need to do all of these steps. So here further we break this 17 as in this form 10 plus 7. And now we multiply this 17 separately on both of these two values, and when we multiply 17 with 10 it will becomes 170, and we multiply 17 with this 7, so it will be written as 7 times of 7 becomes 49. We write 9 and carry 4, and 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 4 becomes 11. So here we need to sum up both of these two values, and we get 0 plus 9 becomes 9, 7 plus 1 becomes 8, and 1 plus 1 becomes 2. It means that 17 square equals to 289. And now we move backward and we substitute this value on both of these two places, so that our above expression is implies that we have 17 times of 17 square. 17 square equals to 289 minus 1 into this is 289 plus 1. And here further in the next step we need to multiply all of these values, and you see here we have this is 17 times of 289 minus 1 becomes 288, and it is multiplied by 289 plus 1 becomes 290. So here in the next step, in order to multiply these two values, we need to break this this term as in this form. So this is our 288, and we break this 290 as 200 plus 90. And now we separately multiply this value on both of these two terms, and it will be written as so here we first write both of these terms as it is. 288 is multiplied by 200 plus this is 288 is multiplied by this 90. So here first we consider this is one digit number and this is our three digit number. So when we multiply 0 with this number we get 0, and this 0 times this number is also 0, and 2 times this number equals to 2 8s are 16. We write 6 and carry 1. So 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. We write 7 and carry 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 becomes here 5. And plus here we need to multiply these two values. Again we consider this is one digit number, this is two digit number. So 0 times this number becomes 0, and 9 times this number equals to 9 8 is 72. We write 2 and carry 7. Again 9 8 is 72. So 72 plus 7 becomes here 79. We write 9 and carry 7. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 7 becomes here 25. So first we need to sum up these two values, and at the last we multiply our resulting answer with the 17. Okay, so here we sum up these values and we get 0 plus 0 becomes 0, and 0 plus 2 becomes 2, and this 6 plus 9 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. So this is 7 plus 5 becomes here 8, and 8 plus 4 12 13. So we write here 3 and carry 1. So this is 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 becomes 8. So we need to multiply this value with this 17, and we break this 17 as 10 plus 7. Okay, so further we multiply this value separately on both of these two terms, and it will becomes, when you multiply this value with 10, it will be written as 8 3 5 2 this 0, and we just write 1 0 here. Plus when we multiply this value with 0, we get here 7 zeros are 0, 7 2s are 14. We write 4 and carry 1. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 1 is 36. We write 6 and carry 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3 becomes 24. We write 4 and carry 2. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 2 becomes 58. So finally we need to sum up both of these two values and we get our final answer. So we have 0 plus 0 becomes 0, 0 plus 4 becomes 4, 2 plus 6 becomes 8, 5 plus 4 becomes 9, 3 plus 8 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. So 8 plus 5 becomes and 1 becomes 14. Okay, so here we write over this is 14. So this is our final answer of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.